This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So now let's shift to the gold market. Well, the gold market in recent times is the market that demands a lot of attention to the nuances. Well, as we have discussed yesterday, the situation on the gold market is really tricky because from the one point of view, as we said, we have the bullish reversal pattern, that is butterfly buy, and due to the oversold condition on the monthly time frame, we have the rights to pretend and to hope on some deeper retracement to the upside, because very often when the market hits the oversold on the high time frames, it reacts at the respect this area by the reaching of the overbought on the lower time frames, just because the scale of the daily time frame is much smaller compared to the monthly time frame. But yesterday here has appeared some sophisticated moment, that is the bearish pattern on the daily time frame. That is the bearish stop grabber. The stop grabber itself suggests the taking out of the previous extreme, where stops has been placed of those who enter in the long position. And this level is right here, because a lot of traders also have seen this butterfly taking the long position, wait for the first leg up. Now they see the reasonable pullback, that is could be the just deeper retracement after the first reversal swing after the significant move down. That's normal, especially for the gold market, who likes to show the 618 retracements. And they have no reason to worry with their position, because the upward continuation of this ABCD pattern looks possible, still look possible on the daily time frame. But that pattern makes a lot of problem, makes worrying those who now have the long position, because the stop grabbers suggest the taking out of these lows, as we said, and that also could be the reason for deeper move right to the 15-15 area. It's 1618 extension of butterfly stance, because since this pattern suggests the taking out of these lows, but the 618 target, minor extension from that pattern A, B, C top, stands right here. Between this level and taking of this low, the next target stands with the 100% extension of that pattern, ABCD. Besides, the stops that have been placed here will add the fuel to the downward action when they start triggered by the price action. So the target of this pattern A, B, C, top, D extension stands very close to the 1618 extension of the butterfly. It's around 1515. This ABCD pattern stands around 1520, 1525, somewhere in this area. So anyway, that will be not the favorable move for the bulls, especially when this action starts to develop. And as we said yesterday, we should be extra careful and get the significant attention to how market responds now at this support where it stands. If this just a small and choppy retracement that just is the respect of this support area, that will add the point to potential downward action. But if market will show some impulse move, thrusting acceleration of such sort from that support area, that will probably tell us about the deeper ABCD retracement to the upside, or even to this level, as we have previously discussed. But yesterday you can see the price action was anemic, so that is just a high wave pattern that indicates the indecision condition, and that's the worrying sign for the gold market, for the bull position currently. If we will take a look at the 4-hour time frame on the gold market, what do we see? That's the ABCD pattern that we have discussed. The target is 100% extension, and here you can see that market stands at 618 support, and the minor target is 618 extension of the same pattern. As I said, between this level and that level, so we only single support is right here, but stop grabber suggesting the taking out of these lows. Hence, market should reach this level by this move. It just has no other supports till the 1525 area. What we see here is the respect of this support. Very choppy and sloppy price action, small candles with the small bodies, long tails, no acceleration, very choppy action. That is not the thrusting move. That is not the move of that sort. That is more as here. So that is just a retracement. And I suspect that we probably could get some sort of the Curtis triple to sell this leg, move down, ABCD retracement to sell into, and downward continuation. Hence, today we have to keep an eye on the couple of moments. The first moment is on the 4-hour time frame, and this could lead to another bearish stop grabber. This maroon line is the MACD predicted Judd Napoli indicator, and you can see that market stands very close to this line. In fact, this line indicates the break-even point between bearish trend and bullish trend. While market stands below it, trend is bearish, but when it moves above it, trend is bullish right here. And this is in fact shows at any moment the level at which MACD lines of the simple MACD indicator should show the cross point in fact. And here I want you to look for the pattern almost the same as the daily time frame, something of that sort, when the market has tried to shift trend to the bullish but failed. And here it could be again on the 4-hour time frame. So if market will start to show some sort of the ABCD action to the upside, and will try to shift trend on the 4-hour time frame to the bullish side but fail here, that will be the reason to enter on the short side of the market, since market should at minimum taken out of these lows. But if this will happen, then probably it will continue move lower, because it will break all the significant supports that now exist on the market. That will be very favorable moment for bearish development. On the hourly time frame, recall that what we have discussed yesterday, that was the double ripple buy pattern. And we said if we don't know how market will respect this area, if it will show the upward acceleration, something of that sort, but in the opposite direction, then it could be the upward retracement, upward continuation on the daily time frame. Thus, to not skip this moment, try to use this potential double ripple buy for step enter. So this pattern has worked nice, because it almost has reached the 50% target that we have specified as this resistance area. So you can see that's cluster resistance, natural line, and market has hit this level, retesting from this lower level. But now what we see, this price action was really choppy and sloppy price action. This is not the thrusting move. I suspect that this is just a retracement. And one thing that I would like to see here is some sort of this ABC reaction to the upside, to the 1575 area. That is also the weekly pivot point for the current week. Some sort of retracement to the upside. That led us probably to enter short with the downward continuation. Trend now stands flat, a bit on the bullish side of the market. Right, small bullish trend. Well, that's been said. Couple of conclusions could be made from the current price action. First of all, the daily stop grabber is still intact and it works. And the current price action on the lower time frame suggests that market now adds more and more point in favor of the bearish development. Because that is not the thrusting acceleration. Market hasn't shown any impulse respect of this support. It's just the smaller bounce to the upside as the respect of this support area. That is just a retracement. Hence, we should expect for some either deeper retracement or downward continuation. And from that point of view, the potential pattern on the 4-hour time frame, potential stop grabber here, could be extremely useful for us. So that's the second moment to watch here. Also, by the way, guys, here you can see it could be the butterfly. Okay, that is the left wing. That could be the right wing. So market could show some attention to the downside with this pattern. Is the potential pattern that could trigger the retracement to the upside. I do not know currently how it will turn. From the opposite point of view, this could be the butterfly as well. So this could be left wing. That could start in the right wing. So anyway, that is the price action that is worth it to be monitored during the trading session. As you can see, a lot of interesting moment. But the major conclusion is that This is just a retracement, it's not the acceleration to the upside. Hence we should be prepared for the downward continuation. The target stands around 15.15, 15.25 area. The major question for us currently is where we should enter on the short side of the market, on the gold market. And until market will form any reversal patterns right here that will let us to enter short, we can't do that. I hope that will be some sort of the ABCD action. Maybe market will form something else. We will see it on Monday.